My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing, there's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today I'm going to show you what makes my transmitter different from all the other ones that you can find on eBay or Amazon. Okay, so today we're in this car, this newer car, which has better radio. Now we set this thing to one local radio station. You can hear that. That's what it sounds like on regular station. Now I'm going to show you how my transmitter sounds. And we're going to first switch to 87.9. And then we're going to go to the iPhone and play music. Okay, that's what it sounds like on the iPhone. And you can hear that the car is now set to 87.9, which is the dead station. Now we're going to play this music. We're going to plug in my transmitter. Give it a minute. Now you can hear that the music is coming through from the car speakers loud and clear. Not only that, you can go to the local radio station and it will be the same volume. You won't suddenly go really loud and scare you. Now you can go back to your iHeartRadio. Now we can pause this music and play this music. Now listen to the sound quality. Okay, the sound quality is CD-like quality, which is better, even better than the local station. Local station from your phone. So this is sound quality is what sets my transmitter apart from the other ones. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Gizmo Guy gadget is made for iPhone to pair with 98 to 2005 Lexus car with Mark Levinson OEM factory sound system without Bluetooth or aux input. Just plug and play and you will get to enjoy all your iPhone music with crystal clear sound and zero static. You will get to keep your Mark Levinson system and enjoy your iPhone music without expensive new head unit for your Lexus.